January 20th, 2025. Woke up this morning and I noticed there was an update to Mint 22.1. And I actually found it over here in Update Manager. And right below here was a little highlighted thing. And it said Update Mint to 22.1. And it has a bunch of stuff you can read and all that warning. I don't really care about that because I have Mint 22 on an ISO, and I'm doing this on my mini PC, which is my backup. So I usually run big updates through that first, and then I'll do my mid tower later. So just to prove that I am on System Info 22.1, and then it looks like I updated my Cinnamon version too. And this is my system right now. And this is my Ryzen 7 5700U B-Link Seer 5 Pro AMD 7 5700U integrated processor. It's soldered in processor in a little mini PC. Okay, enough of that garbage. I tested Kdenlive. I'm doing this on Kdenlive. When I post it, you'll know that it works. I did GIMP. I messed around. I edited a few videos. It worked. Audacity, which always takes longer to load. It's kind of old stuff. It worked. And I did a few little Mint things. I did the screenshot things that they got going in Mint. And you know what? I'm going to demo that. It's pretty cool. You hit selection so you don't get the bottom bar, and you say, take a screenshot, and you can set the parameters of where you want to copy this. So instead of having a screenshot including this, you can get rid of the borders. And also test 2. I do a JPEG, it's smaller. And it's going to save it in my folder, pictures. Boom. And we'll go to pictures. And it says test 2. That's what I just did, a screenshot like that. And it's pretty nice. You can edit out a lot of junk and it works quick. Just a little FYI, I like that. It's cool. And we'll get rid of that. Now the other thing, I made sure that it would play videos on YouTube. So I went to my channel and I'm going to show you what I got going here. And about my channel, I don't have many subscribers. I don't push it. 55 subscribers, mostly geeks like myself, but there's some good stuff on there, I think. Okay, I've been doing this 10 years. I got 26,500 views in 10 years. It varies from 2,000 to 3,000 to 7,000 a year, just weird. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Now I'll show you that it works, and I'm going to show you that OBS is going to record the audio and video in this too. PC, it's my backup PC, and I just use it to play around. But the only thing I noticed, it does run a little hotter because it's pretty small, like 85 degrees. So, okay, so YouTube works. I can play video. I can record stuff. So that was it. The actual time to upgrade from 22.0 to 22.1 was less than 3 minutes, and it changed a whole lot of stuff. So hey, it works, and I'm gonna do my mid tower, and I will keep updates posted against this video on my YouTube channel. Bye for now.